Alright, so real quick here, this is the Tesseract that I designed. Here's the battery holder and the access for pulling the battery in and out, and complete with the bottom switch. Then I got a little piece that retains the switch. It just gets glued down, and then we have the main body of the piece, complete with a little lip to support the bottom, and it all just gets glued together, printed with no supports. Alright, welcome back everybody. Today we got a nice little project. We will be building a Tesseract. So this one's got a little bit of problem with the switch. It every once in a while doesn't make good contact. But yeah, just 9-volt battery, a couple of LED lights. Not too big of a deal. First thing we're going to do is load up these on-off switches and get them installed. Alright, so the little retainer is a bit of a snug fit. If I have a little bit of overswelling from the print, it doesn't want to pop down over the switch very well. And then I'm just using a little dab of hot glue to kind of tack it all in place before I super glue it. Load a little super glue in along these seams. Alright, now while that's just kind of hanging out, setting up, I gotta pull these bulbs apart. I'm gonna need to do 12 of them. I'm just taking a small dab of hot glue just to hold the bulb in place. A couple of them didn't stick down very well, but that's not our concern. Because once everything's done and wired up, I'm going to super glue over the top and let that cure up real good and solid. They shouldn't ever move again. Here I'm just going to take and flood the compartment right above the plug with some hot glue, and then just let that kind of cool off and set up. Again, everything's getting drizzled with super glue in the end, so it shouldn't move once I'm done. I kind of wanted a nice firm base for it. And now I'm going to go through and solder on all the electrical connections, starting with the grounds, and then I'm going to cover the grounds with some hot glue just to lock it so nothing can move around. And then finish up by doing all the jumpers on the positive side of things and hooking up the switch. Alright, there's one done. All the connections are, or all the pieces are you have a little dab of super glue on them. And ready to install. I'm going to change how I did this one from the last one. I put the super glue down first. With this little flange. There it is, another Tesseract built.
So I'm going to finish up the rest of these off camera, but it's pretty much the wash, rinse, repeat. Set the power supply or the power connector in using the battery as an alignment tool. Once that sets, pull the battery out. When the wire's over, connect it up to the positive terminal, put the negative, make a jumper over to the other side on the negative. Then for the positive, hook all the positive wires up. And on the underside of all these terminals, or all these LED bundles, there's actually a positive that's marked. And so that's why when I was breaking them off, I just split them up. But anyway, that's what we're doing, and hope you all enjoyed this. And as I said, this was the first one I did. Turned out just fine. If I can actually put it back together here. So battery goes in, light comes on. That's all she wrote.